Hi there. You'll just have to believe me because you can't see it, but I'm beginning my hike of the Buffalo River Trail. I'm getting started before the sun rises because I have a lot of miles to do in the next 4 days, so I gotta get going. It is very beautiful. There's fog rolling in off the river, and I wish you could see it, but I'll have something to show you soon. Okay, bye-bye. Hello, everybody. It is Saturday morning. I was supposed to stay out here until Monday, but I hiked 16 miles yesterday, which is too far for the first day of hiking. And I have a humongous hill ahead of me, and I'm honestly thinking that I'd rather be eating Taco Bell on my couch. So that's what I'm going to do. So I packed up, and I am not finishing my hike because I'm an adult and I can make those decisions for myself. And so I am going to hike back to the car, get in the car, and drive home. I will finish this hike another day. Also, it looks like it's going to rain tomorrow, which is just an excuse for me to go home. But I'm going to go home. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Hello. So I ended up making a really wise decision and coming back early. It is obviously going to rain. Also, I messed up my knee, and so it hurt to walk the last 10 miles, so that's a problem. Anyway, I'm done with my hike, and I am excited to be home in just a couple hours. Okay, bye for now. Thank you for following me on this adventure. Bye.